Hi. First, I would like to thank you all very much for your continued support during these hard times. It helps more than you can imagine. So you know that I'm a big fan of hand-fed antennas, and in particular half-wave hand-fed antennas. And you probably saw these little guys, 64:1 half-wave hand-fed transformers, really tiny. Well, a few people have asked me if I could make some and sell them to them. And I have said no so far, but I decided to do a test run of 10 and propose it first to you guys, so nobody else will see this at this time, just to see if there is some interest and you know how to go about shipping. I can make those for $36 a pop. Now again, I'm not sure how much the shipping would be. You would pay actually actual shipping after the fact, but I'm printing the cases right now and it will be orange, so it's like the Ford Model T. You can have it in any color, but it has to be orange, and it's on my printer right now. And so 10 of them. It's made of PLA plastic. It's a pretty strong case. It will be, of course, hot glued inside, and the cover will be epoxied. So, and those are very nifty devices. So if you're interested, you just have to send me a kind of pre-order, so to speak, so that I can order the parts because I'm broke. And send me $36 to the address I will put in the description. And I will order the parts, make them, and ship them to you. So if you're interested, let me know. To me, it's a very interesting project. I love those things, and they work really, really well. So let me know, and you have a good one.